How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rekt videos. Today we have another compilation of instant karma as well as unexpected moments.
Okay, well, just step forward.
I don't need to step forward. Let go of me. This is fault. This is harassment. He's touched my leg. He touched my winky. He's just touched my. He just touched my dick. It's on the side. I got a 9-inch shaft.
Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell as there are plenty of new videos on the way. This guy went to court for apparently stealing a football jersey, but during his trial, it appears that he's wearing the jersey in question. Now, whether or not it's the same one, this is one dedicated fan.
All right, Nelson Walker.
Yes, ma'am.
There you are. All right, you're charged with stealing a Dolphin jersey.
This ain't the one, young.
No?
No, ma'am. It show on that I ain't took no jersey. I ain't took no jersey.
Talk about instant karma, here's a funny clip. A thief had run up to a woman and stole her phone. The victim chases the man and he unknowingly runs right into a police station where he is then placed under arrest. He's obviously not the smartest criminal to be doing this in broad daylight with this many cameras catching him in the act, but to then run directly into a police station is just icing on the cake. Speaking of dumb criminals, these thieves tried to make a getaway when their car was suddenly blocked by police. Although their car obviously wasn't going anywhere by this point, one of them still hops inside the car. This person driving a truck couldn't wait for a pedestrian to cross the road. He was too focused on what was in front of him and didn't notice what was behind him. This person filming thinks that she can mess with the law because she thinks that she knows the law, but she ends up turning what should have been a mere ticket for a traffic violation into being arrested for refusing to cooperate with police.
Your driver's license.
What crime have I been suspected of committing?
What's that?
What crime have I been suspected of committing?
You have no brake lights.
Is that a crime, officer?
It is. Give me your license.
According to People versus Battle, traffic infractions are not crimes.
Give me your license.
Unless there's been a crime committed, officer, I'm not showing my ID.
Been committed, and I need to see your driver's
Where's
license.
the corpus delicti?
I need to see your driver's license.
Is there an injured party, sir?
I'm not asking you.
Is there an injured party?
I'm not asking you.
Is there an injured party, officer?
Now, I'm no expert, guys, but I'm pretty sure that you have to present your license even if nobody is injured.
According to Black's Law Dictionary, a crime is defined as there being an injured party.
Can't hear you.
According to Black's Law Dictionary, a crime is only defined as there being an injured victim or injured party. Is there an injured party?
Your brake lights don't work.
Okay, according to People versus Battle, traffic infractions are not crimes.
Okay.
If I've been suspected of a crime, then prove it.
You have committed a crime.
Okay, well, according to People versus Battle, officer, traffic infractions are not crimes. Please show me where the crime is.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not asking you. I'm telling you to give me your license.
According to People versus Battle, there is no crime.
I'm sorry?
Where's the corpus delicti? There's been no crime committed. Please do not touch my property, ma'am, if there's been no crime committed. Please do not touch my property, ma'am. There's been no crime committed.
So basically her logic is that because no one was hurt, she shouldn't be in trouble. That's like saying that if you robbed a bank and nobody was injured, then you didn't commit a crime. It just doesn't make much sense. The officers are later forced to break her car window and remove her from the vehicle, and as you might have guessed, she was placed under arrest. Now let's look at an unexpected moment. This guy was asking people for a lighter while live streaming when a police officer offered his assistance.
Pretty much. Honestly, let's go get my bottle. Alright. Y'all ain't gonna tell me where my bottle is. I'll find it. Hold on. Hold on.
What's up, man?
What's up, G?
There you go.
I threw my last cigarette away because I was... Wait, are you watching the stream? Bro, Austin Police is watching my stream. Yo. Austin Police is watching my stream. Austin Police is... Yo. Awesome Police is watching my stream.
Here's a dose of instant karma. This driver was almost in an accident with another car, but luckily police were right behind him to pull him over.
Jesus Christ. Buddy, holy shit. Thank you.
A 24-year-old woman was arrested after police noticed her infant son sitting alone in a vehicle out front of a liquor store.
Where I can hear him, but I can't see him anymore.
Watch out.
There he
is. Yeah. Yeah. That for me. Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Open it up right now. Come here. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. What the hell were you thinking?
Start, medic.
Don't move. You step back up on the curb right now.
Here, look.
81 start medics. And I got one detained.
10-4.
Take her. No. You step over here. Is that your child? Yes. Then you come here. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. The car isn't even running. Come over here. Step back. Stand right here and don't move. 81, I think we may need another.
This porch pirate was caught in the act and on video after they were pretending to be the owner of this home. What you're seeing now is a FedEx truck dropping off a package, and behind them is the porch pirate pretending to be the person that lives there. I don't know about you guys, but if I was wondering where my package was just to see this happen on my security cameras, I'd be pretty pissed. That's it for this video guys, I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed putting this together. Let me know which clip was your favourite, new video tomorrow so stay tuned, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.